Networking is something that I used to think about, but I thought it was stupid. I never considered it to be a valuable use of time. I never understood how it even worked. And I thought that if I ever went to a meetup, it would just be people bragging, drinking, and not really even willing to help you out. But after going to Vegas and actually networking and meeting like-minded individuals and being introduced to leaders in our field and our community, all of that changed. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about networking. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you guys can see exactly how networking can take your life and your business to the next level. Let's get into it. Like I said, when it comes to networking, I was extremely skeptical at first. My girlfriend had even been pushing me to do it for months, and I was just like, no. I shut it down immediately, never even considered it. I just didn't even want to really be around braggy people that didn't really want to help you and were just feeding you business cards. However, I realized that's not at all how it was. Now, when you network properly and are actually in the room with like-minded individuals, then it is true what they say, your network becomes your net worth. Now, I've only been networking for a few months. It's already made me over $20,000 with the people that I've been networking with. And let me tell you, with how slow 2023 has been, this has been a very welcome sign. Now, in addition to just making money with other people, it's also people that care about you and are gonna hold you accountable and pick you up when you're down. When I was in Vegas, I heard David Meltzer speak, and he talked about how he literally lost hundreds of millions of dollars, lost everything. And because of the network that he had built and put in place around him, he was able to reach out, ask for help, get pulled up by his bootstraps, and have his life put back on track and regain his fortune. In addition to that help, you're able to reach markets you otherwise could not touch. Could I go find leads in Hawaii if I wanted to? Sure. But how am I gonna know the market, know the value, have boots on the ground to go check out the property, find buyers, or do any of those things if you don't have a network? I now have a network of people that can help me find and move deals in Oklahoma, South Carolina, Knoxville, California, Arizona, Utah, and a few other states as well. Prior to that, I was only in Illinois trying to branch out into Indiana, but without networking, it wasn't even very successful. Additionally, I got to gain knowledge that I wouldn't have even known existed if I hadn't networked. For example, I was on the phone last night with my buddy Oscar, who was bringing me an Oklahoma deal, seeing if I wanted to get into it, and I was sitting there in bed talking to him, and I learned 5 different things that I had no idea existed. He's at a different point in his real estate journey. He's also a licensed realtor in Vegas, and he was just talking to me about hard money, private money, all kinds of different funding, the rehab, how the market is in Oklahoma, and I just learned so much on that 45-minute phone call that if I hadn't networked, and even though we're not gonna end up taking the deal and doing it together, I now have a wealth of knowledge that I would not have had before. And an increased probability of doing deals with him in the future, because every time you talk to somebody, you're building your connection with them, you're showing them that you're serious, and you're increasing the chances that they wanna work with you. Now, shout out to Jamel, one of my students, just like you guys watching, who hit me up with an amazing deal on Facebook the other day in South Carolina. We're actually gonna hop on the phone tonight and try to get this one locked up, but I'm looking to network with more of you guys just like him. For those of you that are just starting out and haven't found a deal, bring me the property. I can help you run numbers. Bring me a deal. I would love to work on something with you. I can help you find a buyer. I can answer your questions. My Facebook group is listed down below in the description, where a lot of these discussions go on. And aside from just me, you can find other people to do deals with. And if there are any investors out there that want to get started in real estate but don't have the knowledge and don't know where to put your money, feel free to contact me on Instagram, leave a comment down below, follow the Facebook group. We can get in touch and make something happen. So I hope you guys can see how valuable networking is now. I made the stupid mistake of not doing it for the first 8 months of my real estate journey, and I feel if I had, I'd already be a millionaire. So don't make the same mistakes I did. Turn your network into your net worth and make 2023 the best year you've had yet. If you guys want to hear more about the All-Star Mentorship and maybe even have interest in joining it, leave a comment below or reach out to me on Instagram and DM me. I can definitely help explain things to you, refer you there, and get you a discount. You're in Jamestown now, so relax, take some notes, and let's make some fucking money.